Yeah, good morning, everyone. Uh, we saw some profit booking in the US market yesterday, and futures are also flat, and similar trend is also visible in the Asian market as well. We are seeing some declining trend in the Asian market, with markets are coming down by around 1.5%. Apart from that, even commodities is also seeing some profit booking over there. Oil is though flat as compared to yesterday at around $84.5, whereas aluminum is down by around 2.4%, copper down by 1%, iron ore is down by around 2%, and steel is down by around 0.5%. We had seen a good rally in iron ore and steel prices recently on account of uh, some heavy rain in Brazil steel producing area, iron ore producing area. Because of that, some mine got closed of Vale, and because of that, the iron ore prices, and that led to even steel prices increasing in recent past in China. But what we are hearing now that the rainfall, which heavy rainfall, which is now subsiding, and the miner are already planning to open up the mine in Brazil in the coming week. Apart from that, even iron ore figure, import figure has come in China, and that has come lower than last month. The import of December month is around 86 million ton, whereas it was at around 105 million ton in the November month. So that is also bringing it some negativeness in the iron ore prices. So overall, it seems like more of a profit booking day for the today. So I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. See, yesterday we already mentioned that Nifty and Bank Nifty trading the important resistance zone, and we expect in profit booking in higher level. Nifty also face important support and upside, that is 18,270, 18,340 in upside. That is a major resistance zone for index. Downside important support place around 18,170 to 18,140. So we expect Nifty trading between this range. If Nifty break either side, then we expect the direction in above the 18,270, then we can expect positive momentum. But if Nifty break that important support zone, that is 18,170 at downside, then we expect some profit booking and maybe see some pressure in downside towards 18,100, maybe 18,000 and downside. So we can keep watch this important level for Nifty is upside 18,270 and downside 18,170. So we can see the 100 point range for today's session. Today we expect some negative open, but Nifty break this level, then we expect the pressure that can keep a stop loss even long-term stock also. Bank Nifty, already yesterday mentioned that Bank Nifty has a retracement level 61.80 percentage, that comes around 38,840 45 in upside. Then we expect if Bank Nifty break this level, then we expect positive momentum. So Bank Nifty's first important resistance is 38,850 level. If break that, then we expect towards 39 and above level. And downside important support place at 38,330. If Bank Nifty break this level, then we expect selling pressure to be continued, maybe profit booking you can see in Bank Nifty. To next important support is 38,000 and then 37 700 at downside. So we expect Bank Nifty in a pressure today also. SBI, SDFC, IndusInd Bank, we expect some pressure in this bank. ICICI positive side, but is trading near the support zone, that is 820, 818. Below 818, then we expect some pressure also in ICICI Bank. Uh, and Nifty Finance also trading important resistance zone. Yesterday we already mentioned is upside important resistance zone is 18,400 and close near the resistance level. And we expect if break above, then we expect further momentum. Otherwise, we see some profit booking in Nifty Finance also. 18,300 is important support for next for Nifty Finance. Below that, 18,200 and upside intraday resistance is 18,400 and then 18,500 for Nifty Finance. In stock specific, we expect positive momentum in Tata Steel. Yesterday also Tata Steel show positive momentum and close above the 1220 level. So we expect 1245 and 1252 in upside. Support place around 1200 in downside. Second, Landmark Pharma looks positive at current level. Important support zone is 510. Upside, we expect positive momentum towards 550, 552 in upside for 1 to 2 trading session. To expect in positive momentum in this stock, Reliance Industry also looks positive at current level. Adani Fort also closed important level yesterday. To expect some positive momentum in Adani Fort also. First, next important resistance is 790. Support place around 760 at downside. That's it for technical derivative I can carry.
Yeah, thank you, Vikas. Good morning, everyone. So as for derivatives data, we have seen it that, as I mentioned yesterday during session, that from a higher end, we might witness some profit booking as in OI positions are getting higher and getting added up higher at 18,300 to 18,500 strike. As per OI yesterday's change, we are seeing that at 18,300 strike, heavy call writer positions are getting added up. So for intraday or for next 1 to 2 days, 18,300 will act as an important resistance zone. Once if Nifty manages to clear 18,300 level, then directly we might witness 18,500 level, because at 18,400 strike we are seeing that call rider positions are getting unwinded. So the cluster of resistance which was there at 18,400 has been cleared, but the nearest resistance is 18,300. As per 3 month OI positions also, we are seeing that 18,300 strike is almost holding 9.3 million positions. So currently 18,000 will 300 will act as an important resistance. And on the downside, we are seeing that 18,200 as immediate support, and below that 18,000 will act as an important supportive zone for the Nifty. Overall strength for the market looks positive, but for next 1 to 2 trading session, we might witness some profit booking or some flattish momentum in the market. So currently hold your long positions with the strict stop loss of 18,000 level, as we are seeing that the PCROI is also at the stable rate of 1.35 level. So PCROI is holding very strong. Once if PCROI goes below 1.10 level, then we might witness the trend to get reverse and again some negative bias to be come in the market. But till the time PCR is above 1.10 and India VIX is below 18.50 level, till that point of time, the overall scenario for the market looks positive. So hold your long positions with the supportive levels. As per stock specific, we expect complete Tata counters to look positive from that. 2 to 3 counters from the Tata, which are showing some similar pattern and similar OI positions are getting added up, are Tata Motor, Tata Power, and Tata Steel. These 3 counters looks stronger on intraday basis. So we expect these 3 counters. We have also recommended long positions on Tata Motor and Tata Steel also. So hold your long positions in these 3 counters, and new positions can also be added in these 3 counters. Thank you.
Good morning. Uh, TVS Motors has signed an MOU with Swiggy to provide two-wheeler EVs. This news came during market hours yesterday, but still it is a good development for the company. Initially, it will run on pilot basis on a small scale, and if successful, it will extend to Swiggy's entire fleet. So TVS is moving in the right direction and ahead of incumbent competition. So from a long term, it is positive for TVS. Also, institutional team has come out with initiating coverage report on escorts with accumulate rating. So post dilution and open offer, Kubota will be holding 53% stake in Escorts, and Kubota is likely to use Escorts as its sourcing hub for its global sales, which will be key driver for the business in the long term. However, in the short to medium term, slowdown in rural growth as well as tractor demand cycle implies that tractor industry growth shall remain flattish for next 1 to 2 years. And also stock is trading at 22 times FY24 earnings, which seems fully priced in the near term, and hence the accumulate rating. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning. Mindtree has posted inline set of numbers for the quarter. Orders signed came at $358 million versus a QOQ of 360 million. Constant currency growth came at 5.2% versus expectation of 5.4%. Growth is supported by growth in all the industry and service line. EBITDA margin expanded by 100 bips Q on Q and came at 21.5%, supported by expansion due to business growth, operational efficiency, and cross-currency movement. Going ahead, management indicates that the demand environment is strong and the company will have industry-leading profitable growth for FY22. Company has reported QOQ higher gross margin and reduction in subcontracting cost, which is against the industry trend and positive. As company reported higher margin, company will continue to invest higher EBITDA margin back into the business depending upon the opportunity available. Share is trading at 43.7 times FY23 EPS. Outlook is positive on the company. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning. Tata Metallics came out with its result yesterday, and the result has declined. Sales increased sequentially by 7% at 690 crores. However, EBITDA fell by 32% sequentially at 68 crores. Margins have also declined to 9.8% versus 15.5% last quarter. The fall in EBITDA is due to the rise in input costs for the company. The stock is trading at EV by EBITDA of 5.75 times FY23 EBITDA. Thank you.
So yesterday, Reliance announced that they will be investing around 5 lakh crores in Gujarat over a period of next 5 to 10 years. This is generally they come up with the statement in the summit. It's a long drawn projects which company has even announced in even in their AGM also. So nothing so new in that. It's all neutral for the company. Apart from that, result for next Wednesday, that is coming week Wednesday, Bajaj Auto is likely to report number. Numbers are likely to be marginal improvement quarter on quarter. Volume is, we know already that it has increased by 3% quarter on quarter from September to December. And margins is also likely to show some improvement of around 50 basis point quarter on quarter. Though it is still quite low as compared to the last year, which was at around 19.4%, and now it is expected to come at 16.5%. So some respite, some improvement quarter on quarter. CCL product is likely to report good numbers. Revenues are likely to increase by around 27% year on year and 12% quarter on quarter. And EBITDA margin is also likely to show improvement to 25% as compared to 24.4 last quarter and last year 23%. And stock is trading at around 20 times FY23 earnings. So that looks good. C8 again likely to report okay set of number or flat number quarter on quarter. Margins are likely to remain at around 9%, which is the lower band of their margins. Last year it was at around 15%, and revenue is also likely to grow by 4% quarter on quarter. So more of a okay set of number. Then Rallies India is likely to report again stable set of number. Revenues are likely to grow by around 12% year on year, and EBITDA margin is also likely to remain stable year on year. So more of a stable number for Rallies India. Then Tata Communication is also likely to report number, and that is likely to remain flattish. Revenues are likely to grow by around 1% quarter on quarter, and even Margins are also likely to remain stable quarter on quarter at around 26%. Then Ellen Larsen and Toubro Infotech result will be coming, and here the expectation of CC growth of around 7.1%, that is highest in up till now. That is the expectations, and margins are likely to show marginal improvement around 50 basis point quarter on quarter. So results is likely to show improvement, and share is trading at a rich valuation of around 48 times FY23 earning. Then ICICI Lombard is likely to report numbers. Numbers are likely to show improvement, wherein net premium earned is likely to grow by around 28% year on year, and even PAT is likely to grow by around 27% year on year. Then LIC Housing is likely to report numbers. Numbers are likely to be more of stable. Quarter on quarter, there will be some improvement. NII is likely to increase by around 9%, and even provision is also likely to increase by around, pre-provisioning profit is also likely to increase by around 18%. And provision is also likely to come off quarter on quarter, though it will be still higher than the last year numbers. And share is trading at around 0.9 time price to book value. So valuations are also lower. If suppose there is any surprise in the results, then stock can perform. So that's all from us, and have a good day. Thank you very much.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.